Snapchat, something went wrong. Please try again later. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if Snapchat says something went wrong. Please try again later. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If Snapchat says something went wrong, please try again later, there could be a couple of reasons for this. The first thing we might want to check is maybe you're trying to log in. Do not try to log in from the same page over and over again. Close the Snapchat app and retry. On Android, we can long press the Snapchat app icon. You'll find this little eye icon on any Android device, so tap on it, which is going to take you to app information page. For iPhone users, you could simply offload the app. From here, go to storage, and you can clear the cache files and clear the data. Now go to your Play Store or App Store. Check if the Snapchat app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. After you've done all this, if you're still facing some issues, make sure that your credentials are correct. If you forgot your credentials, you can choose to reset them if you'd like. But to give you an idea, this is how you do it. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.